Hello everyone, my name is Gauri Tarade from Team Automatons. I would like to express my gratitude towards Citron for sponsoring us with Citron motor driver for DD Robocon 2025.
To achieve precision and reliability in our design, we integrated Citron motor driver for motion control in navigation and other mechanism in our robot. The MD30C single channel DC motor driver supports up to 30 ampere continuous current at 5 to 30 volt. It features built-in current limiting, regenerative braking and reverse polarity protection, ensuring durability even under heavy loads. In our robot, we have used MD30C specifically for the navigation motor. Since they required high current handling and precise navigation, the regenerative braking enhances stability during sudden stops, while the robust current protection ensures that the navigation system remains safe and efficient even during peak load conditions. The MDT20A dual channel DC motor driver supports up to 20 ampere per channel 6 to 30 volt. Its dual edge bridge design allows simultaneous control of two motors, reducing hardware complexity. It also features temperature protection, under voltage shutdown, and compatibility with both sign magnitude and locked antiphase PWM operation. In our robot, we use MDD20 for two operations: the ball dribble mechanism and the ball handling mechanism. This mechanism required consistent torque delivery and smooth bidirectional control, which the MDD20A provides efficiently. The MD10C single channel DC motor driver supports 13 ampere continuous current at 5 to 30 volt, making it compact yet powerful. It comes with current limiting, regenerative braking and reverse polarity protection. In our robot, we have used the MD10C on Robot 1 for the ball dribble mechanism. As this operation required moderate torque with smooth control, the MD10C provides an ideal balance between compact size and sufficient power, making it perfectly suited for such lightweight yet dynamic actuation. These motor drivers ensure stability and seamless control in our robots, from high-speed navigation to delicate task handling. By using Citron technology, we build a robust and reliable system that helps us competing at the highest level in DD Robocon 2025.